Hey fellow crafters, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today we are going to go ahead with a quick project of a pair of beautiful earrings. Whether you are a seasoned crocheter or a beginner, this tutorial is perfect for you. First up, we will look into the materials needed. I'm going to be using this material today. This is 100% polyester and 3-ply. Along with that, the 1mm steel crochet hook, and we will need 2 hook ear wires. We also need 2 3mm jump rings. We also need the yarn needle, the pair of scissors, and also the flat nose pliers. These are the things required. If you love the materials I'll be using today, you can find the affiliate links in the description box below. By using these links, you not only get the exact supplies I'm using, but also support the channel, allowing me to create more fantastic content for you. So check out the links and let's get started. First, we will make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times like this. And then we are going to put a stitch to secure the magic ring. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into in the first round. Chain 2, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. And then we will work a double crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed the first petal of the flower. Now chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we will make 2 double crochets together to complete the next petal. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again yarn over and insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over and pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. When you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have completed the second petal of the flower. Again chain 2, 1 and 2, and then work another petal of 2 double crochets together. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. When you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have completed 3 petals over here. Again chain 2, 1 and 2. Again we will make another petal, work 2 double crochets together, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. When you have 3 loops, you can yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have completed the 4th petal as well. And then again chain 2, 1 and 2, and we need to continue making 2 more petals just like this. Now I have completed all 6 petals over here, and then we will pull this tail tight to close the magic ring like this. And then we will join the round by working a slip stitch into the stitch on top of the first petal over here. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first petal, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the first round. And we will start with round 2. First of all, work a slip stitch into the chain 2 space over here. So insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then chain 2, 1 and 2, and we will create a double crochet into the same chain 2 space. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first petal of the second round. Chain 2 and work another set of 2 double crochets together into the same chain 2 space. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Again yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. After that, chain 2, 1 and 2, then make another petal into the next chain 2 space here. 1, 2, yarn over and pull through all 3. Again chain 2 and work another petal into the same chain 2 space. 1, 2, yarn over and pull through all 3. Again chain 2, 1 and 2, then we will work 1 petal into the next chain 2 space, and then chain 2, 1 and 2, then work another petal into the same chain 2 space. And this is what we have to continue until the end of the round. So continue the round and meet me back there at the end. This is the end of the round. After chaining 2, we are going to join the round with a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first petal of the round, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed the second round as well. Now we will start with round 3. First we need to work a slip stitch into the first chain 2 space here. So insert the hook into the chain 2 space, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then we will start working 2 chains, 1 and 2, and then work a double crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now chain 1 and work another petal into the same chain 2 space. Yarn over and pull through all 3. Now we have completed 2 petals over here. Again chain 1 and work 1 petal into the next chain 2 space. Again chain 1 and work another petal into the same chain 2 space. Again chain 1 and work one petal into the next chain 2 space. Chain 1 and work 2 double crochets together into the same chain 2 space to create the next petal. This is what we have completed so far, so we will just continue the pattern until the end of the round. Now I am at the end of the round, and then we will join the round with a slip stitch. Work a slip stitch into the stitch on top of the first petal. So insert the hook into the stitch on top of the first petal, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. Now we have completed our third round as well. And from here we are going to work 2 single crochets into each one of the chain 1 spaces here. So we will start with the first one. So go into the first chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the single crochet. Again go into the same chain 1 space, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. Again work 2 single crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the next chain 1 space. 1 and 2. Again 2 single crochets into the next chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Now we will just repeat the pattern until the end of the round. This is the end of the round. After completing all the stitches, we are going to join the round. I will show you how. So I'm going to leave a long tail for sewing and then cut the yarn off from here. And then we will use the yarn needle to join the round. So thread the yarn needle first. And then I'm gonna go into the first stitch of the round over here. So insert the needle into the very first single crochet of the round, like so, and pull it from the other side. And then we will go into the very last chain of the round over here into this one, and pull it from the back. Now we will hide the tails by using the yarn needle like this. We will just insert the yarn needle into few stitches and then pull it from the other side. And after that you can just cut the tail off. Just like that, you can hide the other tail as well by using the yarn needle. And now I have completed both the pieces to complete the pair of earrings. Now we will see how to attach the jump ring and the hook ear wire to complete the earring. First take the jump ring, open it up using the pliers like so, and we will insert that into a stitch on the last round like this, and insert the hook ear wire also into the jump ring, and then we can secure that with the pliers. Now we have completed one of the earrings. Just like that, we are going to complete the other one as well. And there you have it, a stunning pair of crochet earrings that you can proudly wear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed creating it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Hiru Handmade channel for more crafty content, and hit that notification bell so that you will never miss a tutorial. Until next time, happy crafting!